Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mackenzie Nelson. This is Kiara. And we are in Medellin, Colombia. We just got here yesterday. We flew from Santa Marta to Medellin. We are staying at Charlie's Palace Hostel. But today we signed on to do a walking tour of Comuna 13, which is like a really historic part of town, I think. So we'll learn more about it, but we are walking to the metro station right now to get from the metro station to where we meet for the walking tour. Okay, so we got the metro to San Antonio station, and now we're going upstairs to catch the metro to San Javier, because right in front of the San Javier station we meet the tour group to do the Comuna 13. First stop at a juice place, we got two maracuyas with agua. Our tour starts right here, right outside the station. They have like the red umbrellas. It's raining a bit. We just started our tour and we got some rules to like not interact with the children at all. Don't touch the dogs and don't walk on the escalators, which is interesting. But we're starting by getting on a green bus, which is 1,500 Colombian pesos. Get to, I think, the bad part of town, and then we'll get to like the good side. I'm not really sure yet.
We started to ask to the gangs that we needed peace. Just one word.
Freedom?
Freedom. The Colombian flag is divided in 3 bands.
Can't even show on my camera like how crazy this view is. It's absolutely insane. Our guide is like one of the best. He was like, oh, I'm gonna take you to like the best views in the city. I think he was born in Medellin, but like grew up in this area too, so he has a lot of history himself with all the war and everything that happened. I'm not gonna get into the history on YouTube, sorry, but you just gotta come learn about it yourself. It's really, really fascinating. But in these views, I can't, it's crazy, crazy. There's these slides in memory of this little boy that was shot, and that's kind of like the end of the war when this little boy was shot. And I can't really show because there's kids, and I was told not to take photos of the kids. But we're gonna go down now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. A lot happening, so I don't even know if you could hear me, but walking tour finished, and so now we're just free to wander around until we want to. And we reunited with Olivia and Megan. I think we're gonna wait till like 6:30 or something for the sun to go down, because this is like an amazing view, so I imagine like the lights are gonna be stunning. So we're gonna wait for that and just chill out, maybe get a drink here. Also, I wanted to mention that it was a free walking tour, but we tipped the guy, I think like 25,000 Colombian pesos for the tour, just because he was so awesome, and he took us to the best places, but he really deserved the tip. And when you go on free walking tours, it's free, but you should always tip them, always. Hello everybody, it is the next day. Sorry if it's a little bit loud. I'm just at a cable car station, but we came all the way to Miraflores. From Poblado to San Antonio, we took the trams, and now we're gonna hop onto some cable cars to go see a really pretty view of the city once again, because you can't get enough of it. I don't know, see what there is up there. I heard that this is like one of the most popular things to do in Medellin as a tourist. So I'm with Kiara today. Megan and Olivia may be joining us later, we'll see. When we got off the tram, we just like hiked up this really steep hill and then went to the right, and there was like a nice walk along park, and it was really beautiful. And then we ended up getting like a bit lost, and it was a little sketchy. There was like a lot of guys that we think were on drugs, I don't know, but we found like this British dude and he was walking with us, so it felt fine. We made our way back down, and we're just gonna head back to the hostel for just an easy night. I don't really think we're up to much tonight. Yeah, I recommend coming up here. It was really beautiful, but I think there's like 6 trams total, so if you have time, maybe check out more of them. Look where we are.